Okay guys, welcome to Sabi Mentors YouTube channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you about Wamation, the most powerful WhatsApp automation tool I've ever seen and used in my entire online business career. Right? This WhatsApp automation tool beats every other automation tool I've used in my entire online business career. Now, why did I say that? I will show you how it works. Now, before now, I used to use other WhatsApp autoresponder. If you are familiar with them, you will know that you need a link to use. Once you put your WhatsApp link in a button, once they click, they will send you a message on WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp has to be open in your phone, and your phone has to be connected to the internet to be able to deliver the message they sent to be able to deliver your message you have set up. But with Wamation, it is a whole different ball game. Now let me show you how it works. As you can see, this is my own lead page I'm using to capture WhatsApp leads from Facebook advertising. So now once someone comes to this page, instead of using a button, take a look. I want to surprise you. Once you click, you can see it. They have to fill a form. So once anybody fills this form, they will get a message sent to them automatically that I have already set up. So I will show you how it works. So I will fill in my number. So my name is Kevin. So WhatsApp number 70. I'll click on get the video. Once I click, take a look now. It works like an email marketing software. Now, take a look. If you observe this area here, you will see that an alert just came in. So if you go to my inbox now, you will see, as you can see, this is particular time. This is 10:19. So if you check now, you'll see 10:19. So the autoresponder is working like magic. My phone does not have to be connected to the internet, and I will still be able to get the message. Now, hold on, it is not over yet. As you can see, there was a thank you page. So you can design a thank you page that tells them more on what to do. For me, I said great. Click the button below to activate the link now. For instance, they click this button, they will send me a message on WhatsApp again. For instance, I want to just show you. So this one beats all other autoresponder hands down. So it is supposed to open. So once it opens, take a look. Starting chat. Okay, click on it. You can see. Take a look. As you can see, it has delivered. It is the work of the autoresponder that is doing this job for me. You get? So that is how people will go through my autoresponder. Now let me show you something. As you can see, it works wonderfully. Now take a look at my broadcast list. I have set up automation to go out to people. Like I set up automation for about like 17 WhatsApp automation. As you can see, day 27, from day 1 to day 27, and these messages have been sending, and this WhatsApp automation software has been bringing me sales almost on a daily basis. It has been bringing me sales on a daily basis. I will show you proof. All right, now let's go. This is the number I'm using. As you can see, this one just said the payment has been made. Now let me show you why it made a payment. Because my autoresponder is following up with him. As you can see, that is the work of Wamation. All this message you are seeing here, it is Wamation that is doing its work. I've set them up and it follows them up. Now let's go to the ones. As you can see, these are leads that are coming using this tool. As you can see, several leads right here. So as you can see, let me click on this. As you can see, if you see now, this person has been on my WhatsApp list. As you can see, some of them will not do anything. First day, second day, they won't say a word. Third day, some of them will start paying. Some pay even on the first day, some pay on the second day, some pay on the third day, some even pay on the last automation, on the last day. That is how it works. All right, you can see. So I've been making sales using this software. This one has paid. This one paid yesterday. As you can see, this one paid yesterday. So okay, this one paid on Saturday. Okay, all right, like so. So this is how it works. This one also paid. So this is how it works. All right. So as you can see, all right. So as you can see, this one paid on the second, I think on the first day of the automation. Yes, this one paid on the first day of the automation. He likes it and he paid almost instantly. That is the power of leads generation. So this is just my own review of Wamation, or Wamation review as the case may be. So Wamation is very powerful. So to sign up and get a special offer, because I'm trying to negotiate with a special offer with them. So to sign up to get 50% discount on that offer, go to submitmentors.com/WAMM and use this link to create an account for yourself. You can get a 2-day free trial. All right, you can get a 2 days or a 2-day free trial. So click on sign up and use that free trial. So then you can get 50% discount on your premium plan. For me, I'm using a premium plan right now. If you see, I'm using a premium plan. Let me see. I'm currently using this particular one right now, but with my link, you can get it for 50% discount. That is if the offer is still available. Okay, so ensure you use my link to sign up, submitmentors.com/WAM, so that I can get credited for showing you this amazing software. Okay guys, so I hope this was helpful enough for you. This is a game changer. WhatsApp has the highest open rate, more than email. With this, I don't even think I will use email anytime soon, but email is still good. Okay, but for now, I'm making money with this software and I'm very happy with it. All right, though a few lags here and there sometimes, but they are very responsive. The support is very responsive. They've attended to me and they've solved all my issues, and I'm praying for them that they should grow bigger and sustain the service for us to make money for ourselves. So you go ahead and try out Wamation. All right, try it out and use for your lead generation. Affiliate marketers will love this. If you do any form of online business, info marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, you are going to love this WhatsApp automation software. It is the best, guys. So peace out and join the team. One love. So before you go, let me just show you something. If you are interested in affiliate marketing and you don't want to do the work, you don't want to do all the hard work involved, you want a system that has done all the hard work for you, then the Affiliate Boss Super Affiliate System is the ultimate done for you affiliate marketing system that will help anybody to start their affiliate marketing business in as little as 7 hours. That is because we have done all the hard work for you. We have done all the hard work for you. We have designed the funnels for you. I have designed several funnels for you. I have written many email copies. I've written many ad copies. I've done almost all the hard work for you. So you come to Affiliate Boss and take a look at the program, and if you are interested, you can get it. Okay, so one love, guys. Peace out.